Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be teaching you how to make cranberry pickle. This pickle is very tasty and very healthy. Today I would like to give a huge shout out to Ushadi from Ushadi Rasoi. She's a very talented cook and a very wonderful person. Please visit her channel. Here are the list of all the ingredients I'll be using for the masala. I have mustard seeds, methi seeds, cumin seeds and saunf or fennel seeds. All the measurement for this is 1 tablespoon each. And here I have taken 16 ounces of cranberry or 1 pound of cranberry. And these are all the ingredients that are used for tempering. I have oil, mustard seeds, chili powder, salt, hing, and then I have curry leaves as well. Oh, I forgot turmeric. Here you go, I have some turmeric as well. So now let's get started. So first thing what I'll be doing here is roasting all the dry ingredients for the masala for the pickle. Here I have methi seeds. 1 tablespoon of methi seeds is more than enough. If you don't like methi seeds, you can reduce the quantity. Here is 1 tablespoon each of cumin seeds and fennel seeds together. Roast it on a low flame. You don't want to burn these ingredients. Next, I'll be adding mustard seeds. As soon as you add mustard seeds, make sure you cover something or else all your counter space will be filled with mustard seeds because they'll start splattering everywhere. Once you hear all the splattering, again on the low flame, you don't want to burn it. Turn off the stove and we'll put all these ingredients on a plate and let it cool down before we make a powder of these ingredients. Now, starting with cranberry, I have taken a little bit of oil in the pan. You don't have to add oil, but if you add oil, the cooking process is faster. So I have washed and I have added cranberry in here. The thing about this pickle is you never add water any time in this pickle. The cranberries will cook and then they will reduce by themselves. And to these cranberries, I have added salt and turmeric. After adding salt and turmeric, I'm going to close and leave it on the stove, again on the low flame, for around 5 to 10 minutes and it will cook down. It will release its own juices because of the salt added. They look so beautiful and bright. My mouth is watering already. All right, now once I cover and leave for 10 minutes, this is how my cranberry looks like. It becomes into a mush. You need to make sure it is a mush before adding the rest of the ingredients. Now that my cranberries are ready, I have turned off the stove and I'm going to do the tempering. It's really simple. I have used sesame seed oil here. You can use any oil of your seed, of your choice. Sorry about that. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in my mustard seeds and I will let it to splatter. I like to close a lid so it doesn't jump everywhere around the kitchen. Once my mustard seeds are splattered, now to this I'll be adding asafoetida or hing. I have used here around 1 tablespoon of it. You can reduce or add more. Next is the curry leaves. More the merrier. It will taste really good. At this point, I've turned off the stove. I have added my chili powder and my dry masala powder. And once I finish adding these ingredients, I'm going to give it a good stir. And then I'll be adding this mixture into the cranberry mush that is ready. My cranberries are well cooked, and to this I'll be adding all these tempering ingredients and give them a good mix. This pickle is so tasty. It stays in the fridge for at least 6 months, but in my house this pickle will be over in a month itself. My kids love it and my husband loves it as well. This is very healthy and also very delicious. A very good variation from our normal pickles like lemon pickle and mango pickle. It's a very good variation. You have to try this recipe. It's really good. And once you give it a stir, it's all ready. Let us let it to cool down. I have never kept this pickle on the counter, but my friends have done that, and they say it is fine. You don't have to refrigerate it, but I like to refrigerate it. And here on top, I'm adding sesame seed oil as a topper. By adding sesame seed oil, it increases the taste of the pickle and it will stay longer. Here you go, my cranberry pickle is ready. It's delicious. You have to try. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Thank you.